Hey guys, Firewood here, and today I have got something really interesting for you. Today I am going to give you complete edit like Fictic edits. For obtaining the presets, smash 600 likes. Now without wasting time, let's see the sample.